Welcome to our channel, where we guide you through activating your Delta SkyMiles account quickly and effortlessly. Welcome to our channel, where we guide you through activating your Delta SkyMiles account quickly and effortlessly. If you've recently received your Delta SkyMiles membership or are planning to join, activating your account is the essential first step to unlocking a world of travel benefits and reward opportunities. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Delta Airlines website. Look for the SkyMiles section, which is typically found in the main menu or as a direct link on the home page. Once you're there, select the option to sign up or activate your account. You will be prompted to enter your information. If you already received a SkyMiles number, make sure to have it handy. Enter your SkyMiles number along with any required identification details such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Creating a strong and memorable password is crucial, so choose one that meets the security standards provided on the page. After filling out all necessary fields, carefully review your information for accuracy. Submit your activation request by clicking the designated button, often labeled Activate or Create Account. Following submission, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Delta. This email typically contains a link to finalize your activation. Clicking this link verifies your account and completes the setup process. Once activated, log into your SkyMiles account to explore the dashboard, where you'll find your miles balance, available offers, and options to manage your profile or book flights. Now that you have an active account, you can start earning miles through flights, purchases, and partner programs. Remember to always log in before making any transactions to ensure your miles are credited correctly. By following these simple steps, your Delta SkyMiles account will be ready to take off, bringing you closer to exciting travel rewards and exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on earning miles for every journey you take with Delta Airlines.